Happy May, everyone! Welcome to my May vlog. Today we are going to pick up some stuff from the Brookfield Place Mall, and I want to check out the new Amazon Go store. It's the Amazon grocery store where you can go in and go out without having to talk or interact with any cashier. So we're going to go check it out. And then there's also a pop-up that I want to check out today for Blue Bunny, which is an ice cream place. So let's go!
Wow.
Sure to download the Amazon Go app before you come in because we didn't, and it took a while, and you have to know your password, and it's really complicated because you have the security code things. But anyway, it's actually not a real grocery store, it's more like a convenience store, and all you have to do is, if you take something, it knows that you took it, and if you put it back, it knows you put it back, and then at the end you just walk out and they charge you later. So we'll see if we need anything. Could get almond milk. Got our broccoli. Yay! What'd you get?
Monster cookie.
The first pop-up I've been to.
How is it?
It's amazing. I don't know.
So I wonder how mine's gonna taste. I got cherry cheesecake.
Going first. Oh gosh, it's so sticky. Oh. Ah! It is really hot. Okay, this foam thing. It's kind of comfortable.
Okay, Brittany's gonna go down the slide again.
Yeah, fun?
Yeah, that was worth it.
Yo, I'm happy with the ice
It was so
I'm happy with the laundry
It was
throwing thing.
so hot though.
I didn't get to be Hui, so I needed to film.
Hey, I'm not the
You had
dude.
more shots than me.
I don't know that dude's name, but
You had more shots than me, though.
Angela's competitive.
I got on the first try though.
Hello everyone, my family is visiting, so it's the Memorial Day weekend, it's Friday, we're at Tim Ho Wan to eat. We got here at like 11:15 and it's a 30-minute wait for 5 of us, which isn't too horrible, but you can check in online on Yelp.
You know I kinda want to disappear.
First meal of the day. Yep.
What do you usually do? You know it's just like I felt the heat the moment he pressed his lips up against my.
Very good, you have to get the pork buns here.
Oh yeah.
Photographer at work.
I can take it.
We're back at Showfields.
Oh, look at the elevator.
You want a solo picture, anybody? Against the mirror?
Kind of.
How was it?
Okay.
It was pretty fast, right?
You got fast.
In the quiet of my
We made it to the UN! Gonna go on our tour now. Check-in process is pretty easy. If you have a group of 5 or more, one person just has to go, which was me, and that's why I have this little tag. And they do recommend an hour before because the line's kind of long to check your ID, so that's why, and you have to go through security. But I was able to bring my camera if you're curious about that. And yeah, our tour is in 25 minutes, so we'll probably just walk around a little and explore until it's time.
Control this flame we started. You the wildfire in my heart.
Security Council area.
Also, that's why Indonesia's right there, because Indonesia is the
General Assembly Room. Did everyone like the tour?
Yeah, here's a guy.
Yeah, it was pretty cool. Yeah? I mean, you only get to see a few rooms, but it's still interesting, and you get a lot of history about the UN. I liked our tour guide, he was cool. Yeah, forgot his name,
nice.
but
He was funny.
yeah. Otherwise though, it's like a lot of videos with like random props and like posters and things. Yeah. I think it was like $15 or $20. So if you're in New York or if you live here, I think it's worth trying at least once, especially if you're into learning more about the world and the UN.
Boba, so chewy.
What's the verdict? Good? Yeah. It's interesting because the boba is like a light brown color, so I think they use a different type of brand. We are here at Restoration Hardware rooftop restaurant, and it's about an hour and 45 minutes wait, and it's 6:30 on a Friday, so come early. Well, we do have a group of 5, but it's really nice. I would just come, go straight to the 5th floor, and put your name down, and then just explore the area. But the inside is super nice.
But don't think that is what I would usually do. You know it's just like I felt the heat the moment he pressed his lips up against mine.
2 hours later, we're finally seated.
Like I do every time. Fire is burning through this silence. I can take it.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear mom. Oh, happy birthday to you. Eyes and thighs. Let me also clarify, when I mentioned that they had dairy-free fried chicken here, they actually do not have dairy-free fried chicken. Somehow the lady must have told me wrong when I was doing my dairy-free diet, but oh well. Hannah was still able to order something.
In the quiet, all my thoughts run free. So I drown them out at night with my TV.
Subway or Subway Museum? We're here at the New York City Transit Museum. It was only $10. We're gonna go check it out, and I'm gonna get some hopefully good footage of an empty subway cart.
In my heart, yeah. Fire is burning through this silence. I can't take it, can't control this flame we started. You know I'm fire in my heart, yeah.
I'm scared. Good job, got the bass. Yeah. Oh, he's waving. Sean?
Congratulations on your catches!
Hannah's catch. The rainbow trout simmer, the sea bass salts, grills. How did everyone like it?
Good.
Excellent.
Good.
Excellent.
More filling, see a donut, but if it was something just light,
Good.
Everyone was a fan of the donuts, mochi
It
donuts.
was so good.
Definitely worth trying. Were you gonna say something?
Excellent. I was gonna say simple, but then I realized the one that Hannah had was not too simple. This that deep fried. Yeah, that was great.
Yep. If you're vegan or gluten-free or both, great options.
Probably.
What should I do? Should I be like... Hannah said you need stuff that's worth posting on Instagram.
Oh yeah, you need stuff that's worth posting on Instagram.
Yeah. It was a little too lame.
It was like I was taking photos for a joke rather than serious.
Yeah, sadly. Oh yeah. It's not that much different.
No.
It's still good and chewy.
That tea flavor though.
Both of our options failed, so we are here at Charlie Street. Tried to go to Russ and Daughters, or got there at 9:45. There's like an hour wait. Also tried to go to Egg Shop, 45-minute wait, so now we're at Charlie Street. It's good though, it's really healthy. Well, the family just left, now it's just Hui and I. It's Memorial Day, but I think we're gonna take it a little slow because we went hard this past weekend. But I hope you guys enjoyed my May vlog. If you have any questions, don't forget to comment below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more content, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.